If you're a teacher and you're still spending your evenings writing lesson plans, creating worksheets, drafting parent emails, and trying to differentiate everything yourself, stop. Not because those things aren't important, but because AI can help you do some of them in minutes. And no, I'm not talking about letting AI teach your students. I'm talking about using AI to get some of your time back. Today, I'm going to show you 5 things teachers can stop doing the hard way and start using AI to help with right now. Welcome to the AI Teacher, saving time without replacing good teachers. This channel is for teachers who keep hearing about artificial intelligence but aren't exactly sure where to start. You don't need to be a technology expert. You don't need to understand how AI works. We're going to learn this together. Let's focus on one question. Can this tool actually make a teacher's life easier? Let's start with 5 ways it can. Number 1 is lesson planning. Think about how many times you've opened a blank document and thought, okay, how am I going to teach this? Instead of starting with nothing, use AI to create your first draft. Try giving ChatGPT something specific like create a 45-minute first grade lesson about identifying the main idea. Include an objective, materials, teacher modelling, guided practice, independent practice, and an exit ticket. Within seconds, you've got a framework. Is it going to be perfect? Probably not. That's where you come in. You know your students. AI doesn't. Use AI to build the starting point, then use your expertise to make it work for your classroom. Number 2. Emails. We've all stared at an email trying to figure out how to professionally say something that should have taken 30 seconds. Instead, tell AI what happened and what you need to communicate. For example, write a friendly but professional email to a parent, explaining that their child struggled to complete today's assignment. Ask them to practice at home and invite them to contact me with questions. Now you have a draft. Read it. Change anything that doesn't sound like you, and send it. Something that might have taken 10 minutes can now take 2. Important. Never paste private or personally identifiable student information into an AI tool unless your school or district has explicitly approved that use. Here's where AI starts getting really useful. Imagine you've created an activity that works perfectly for most of your class. But one student needs additional support, another needs a challenge, and another needs simpler directions. Instead of creating 3 entirely different activities, ask AI to help adapt the original one. You've just created 3 starting points from one activity. Again, the teacher makes the final decision, but AI does some of the heavy lifting. Number 4 is one of my favourites. Need 5 comprehension questions, a vocabulary activity, a review game, an exit ticket, 10 practice problems. Instead of searching the internet for 20 minutes, hoping someone already created exactly what you need, ask AI. Try. Create a 5-question exit ticket for first grade students learning about nouns. Seconds later, you've got something to work with. And number 5 might actually be the most powerful. Sometimes you don't need AI to create something, you just need ideas. Maybe your students are struggling to understand fractions. Tell AI, my students are struggling. Give me 5 hands-on ways I could teach the concept differently. Or, I need a fun review activity that takes 10 minutes and requires almost no preparation. Don't think, AI, do my job. Think, AI, help me do my job more efficiently. That's a huge difference. And here's the point I want to leave you with. AI doesn't know the student who walked into your classroom having a terrible morning. It doesn't build relationships. Teachers do. So if AI can save you 30 minutes creating materials, 20 minutes writing emails, or an hour planning, that's time you can put back where it belongs, with your students, or maybe for once back into your own life. If you're a teacher who's interested in AI but doesn't know where to start, subscribe to the AI Teacher. We're going to test AI tools, build real teacher workflows, and figure out what actually saves time and what isn't worth using. And I want you to leave me a comment. What's the one teacher task you wish you never had to do again? I'm the AI Teacher, saving time without replacing good teachers. I'll see you in the next one.